In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ERR HTTP2 protocol error Google Chrome. If you're seeing this error, it often comes down to corrupted cached files, problematic cookies, or a browser add-on getting in the way. We'll clean that up, check your extensions, and reset Chrome settings if needed, then finish with a quick restart. Follow along and we'll keep everything clear and simple. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is your control center for everything we're about to adjust. In the Settings page, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome manages things like cookies, cached images, and site data, open clear browsing data. You'll see options for what to remove. Go ahead and confirm by selecting Delete Data. This clears out stored files and cookies that can cause protocol errors. Just a heads up, clearing cookies can sign you out of some sites, but it won't remove saved passwords unless you explicitly choose that option. Next, we'll look at your extensions. Still in Chrome, open the extensions page. You can get there from the menu or the toolbar if you see the puzzle icon. Once you're on the extensions page, turn off all extensions. There's usually a toggle for each one. Switch them off so everything is disabled. Doing this helps us rule out any add-on that might be interfering with how pages load under HTTP2. If you rely on a particular extension, don't worry, we're just turning them off temporarily so we can test cleanly. Now head back to Settings, use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Reset. This is the quickest way to find Chrome's reset options. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Review the description so you know what's changing. This resets startup pages, new tab, search engine, and pinned tabs. It also disables extensions and clears temporary data. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords remain intact. When you're ready, click Reset Settings to confirm. With those changes in place, finish by restarting Chrome. Close all Chrome windows and open it again. This restart makes sure every change we made fully takes effect. After Chrome restarts, try visiting the page that showed the error. If it's working, you can re-enable extensions one by one to identify any culprit. If the error returns after turning one on, you've found the source. That's it. By clearing cached data, disabling extensions, restoring default settings, and restarting, you should have fixed the ERR HTTP2 protocol error in Google Chrome.